Hi everybody, this is Mr. Rajendra. In this lesson, I'm going to teach you will be able to. What is will be able to? It shows your ability for the future. जहां पर हिंदी में आए सकूंगा, सकेगी, सकोगी, जैसे मैं खेल सकूंगा, मैं नाच सकूंगा, मैं बोल सकूंगा, मैं पढ़ सकूंगा, तुम सुन सकोगे, वह रो सकेगी, वह नाच सकेगी. What would be the formula? Formula is subject, will for negative, not, be able to, verb first form, then object. After to, we will be using verb first form. Let's make few sentences. मैं तुम्हें हरा सकूंगा. I will be able to defeat you. मैं इंग्लिश बोल सकूंगा. I will be able to speak English. वह तुम्हें पढ़ा सकेगी. She will be able to teach you. वह तुमसे बात नहीं कर सकेगी. She will not be able to talk to you. मैं उसको मिल सकूंगा. I will be able to meet him. तुम पानी पी सकोगे. You will be able to drink water. वह मुझसे बात नहीं कर सकेगी. She will not be able to talk to me. मैं तुम्हें बुरी तरह से पीट सकूंगा. I will be able to beat you black and blue. Right? Okay, my dear friends, I hope so that affirmative and negative formula would be clear. Let's make sentences with interrogative. What would be the interrogative formula? WH family, will, subject, not, be able to, verb first form, object. Let's make few examples with kya. When we start question from kya, it starts with helping verb and your helping verb is will. क्या तुम उसे मिल सकोगे? Will you be able to meet him? क्या तुम जिम जा सकोगे? Will you be able to go to gym? क्या तुम बॉडी बना सकोगे? Will you be able to make body? Right? You may use build, but I would be saying you make body would be suitable word for this. क्या वह नहीं आ सकेगी? Will she not be able to come? With WH family, तुम कहां जा सकोगे? Where will you be able to go? तुम कब आ सकोगे? When will you be able to come? वह कैसे जा सकेगी? How will she be able to go? क्या तुम कोरोना वायरस को हरा सकोगे? Will you be able to defeat corona? Right? क्या वह तुमसे मुलाकात कर सकेगी? Will she be able to meet you? क्या तुम उससे पंगा ले सकोगे? Will you be able to mess with him? तुम क्या क्या खा सकोगे? What all will you be able to eat? क्या वह तुमसे कुछ छुपा सकेगी? Will she be able to hide anything from you? तुम वहां कैसे नहीं जा सकोगे? How will you not be able to go there? Let's make one or two more example by using only WH family. वह कब तुमसे बात कर सकेगी? When will she be able to talk to you? क्या तुम उसको चाकू मार सकोगे? क्या I'm making about क्या तुम उसे चाकू मार सकोगे? Will you be able to stab him? तुम उसे चाकू क्यों मार सकोगे? Why will you be able to stab him? क्या वह फांसी ले सकेगी? Will she be able to hang? वह फांसी क्यों ले सकेगी? Why will she be able to hang? क्या तुम सुसाइड कर सकोगे? Will you be able to commit suicide? तुम उसे क्यों रोक सकोगे? Why will you be able to stop her? Okay, my dear friends, I hope so that you would not have any kind of problem for using will be able to, right? So we will meet you with next episode. Thanks for watching this video. Bye everybody.